He's not scared of hitting his
Football. You playing football?
Football? Ready, set, catch. One hand. Oh, you didn't catch it with one hand. Right here.
I'll try bigger football. A bigger football? Go get the bigger football. I'll try to see. Hurry.
Let's go get it. Where is it?
Hi, Riley.
We didn't bring it down.
No, it is. It's in the bedroom.
Come on,
Come, Munchkin. Come here. Come here, Chase.
Here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ready. Say, go. Oh, the big one. Okay. Alright. Ready. Oh. Ready. Catch. High pass. Woo! Fingertip. Fingertip. Good throw. What are you doing? Scoot back. Scoot back. Scoot back. Ready. Set. Catch. Woo!
Good job.
Right here.
Throw it back. Throw it to Daddy.
Nice.
Good
throw.
job.
Ready. Catch. Ready. Ooh, and you ran into it too. Wow. Ready. Catch. Woo, on the fingertips. Okay. Catch. Oh, oh. You ready? That was almost catch. Good job. Throw. Oh, you're great. Ready? Ready? Catch. Yeah. Throw.
That was fun.
That was a good one, right? Ready? Catch. Oh, I got you the helmet. Yeah. Ready? Catch. Oh, that was through the hands. Through the hands. Injury. Ready. Set. Good catch. Right here. In the hands. Ready?
Chase, who's your favorite football team?
Who's
your favorite football team?
Yeah.
Look, let me see. Show
Show.
Mommy.
Who's
Who's
your
your favorite football team? Who? Who's your favorite football team? What?
Monster truck.
Who's this? What kind of shirt is that?
Here we go. Ready?
I got
Ready. One more catch.
one more catch
One
and
more
then
catch.
gotta say
Ready?
goodbye. Good job. Say bye.
Bye.